You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 1 over 23. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1 over 92 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4 over 1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is x equals 1 over 23.